Hi, my name is Bedics, and I'm owner of the Cat Lady Antiques. I specialize primarily in 18th and 19th century textiles, as well as children's foibles, folk art, country furnishings, and kind of all the appointments that you would see in a well-appointed country home. One of the things I do pride myself on and I specialize in are early cloth dolls and cloth animals. Many of the cloth animals I sell are early Amish and Mennonite animals in origin, and I've actually helped several collectors build their collections. And I'm sharing the booth with a good friend of mine, Lisa Bryce, Anderson Bryce Antiques. She's my guest dealer, and she's the expert on holiday items. She sells a lot of holiday as well as children's items, tinware, kitchenware, and folk art.